We are going to show you how to print something at a regular size, a little tiny size, and a huge size. We're gonna fill this whole 3D printer. And we've already printed the medium size, so we can show that to you right now. You wanna show it off, Kebs?
This is the medium size.
Give him a good look there. It's a poo. All right, so we're gonna take you guys to the computer and we're gonna show you how to take a regular model and size it up so you can print the big version. And then later we'll do the little tiny version. Drop a comment if you want to see the dragon egg at multiple sizes too. All right, we'll get started on the poopy. High five. Yeah.
We are up on our computer now, and we're going to show you guys how to take a model and make it super huge or make it small and tiny. We have a Bambu Labs P2S 3D printer. That's what we have for doing all our prints. So we're using this software here called Bambu Studio. I've already installed it. Yeah. And this is what we use to make our prints bigger and smaller, and you can do other little edits. So let's open it up. You can see there's lots of models that are kind of shown. There's different areas that you can browse. I won't show you the whole software, but once you find the model you want, you can search at the top here, search online models. In our case, we recently opened the poopy model, so it's right at the top. I'm just going to click on that to open it up. Once you open it, this is the model as the original designer created it. You can click on it to select it. There are a ton of options here. Just make sure that you have your actual printer selected so it's matching the plate size and all of that. But for this simple video, we just want to scale the poopy and make it bigger and smaller. So if I click on the poopy itself, you can see all of the kind of editing options here. So there's like move, rotate, scale, there's auto arrange if you have a whole bunch of objects and you want to arrange them. So you can do all kinds of little edits here. The one that we want is scale, and right now by default, so you can see the scale percent at the top is 85%, and here's the sizes, and we want to have this uniform scale checked off so it doesn't get all misshapen, but it is 85%, and we are doing the big poopy first, right, Kebs?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe we do double the size?
Double and a half size it.
Double and a half?
Double and a half.
I don't know if that'll fit on the plate. Should we try double first?
Let's try double.
Okay.
I know double. It's gonna be up. It fits just fine.
Yeah, you're right. Double fits. I think if we go much bigger than that, it is going, the bigger you make it, the longer it will take, the more filament you'll use. And there are size limitations here. Eventually it will go off the edge of the plate or it might be too tall. So I think that is a massive poo. You can copy it and paste it, and then you can have multiple objects here. So we can even see this double size compared to the regular 85%. So that's how much bigger it's gonna be. That's really big. This is 85%. That's what we already showed. This is the big poo that we're gonna print next. And he's double the size. This one is half the size, slightly under half the size. And then this one is half the size of that. So that's all the poos we'll do today. I guess we could print actually all of them. Not the medium one, because we already have it. But we could actually print these three all at once.
But I don't really want to do it. I want to do one at a time.
One at a time? Okay. What's the problem with our current poopies on the screen here, Kevs?
It's for some reason just like all one color. It's supposed to be like 3 colors, 4 colors.
That's right. It's just one giant brown poopy. So we figured out the reason for this. And to show you, I'm actually going to close this out and reopen Bambu Studio. When you first open the model in Bambu Studio, it'll give you different options for the model that you actually want to open. So if I search for our model here, this one, when I click on it, you'll see that there's actually multiple different options here. And the one we had open is just one color. That's why it didn't work properly. There's 2, 2.5, 3, 4. And 4 is what we have printed downstairs. So we're gonna open that one. And now we can very quickly see that he is looking proper. The only difference with ours is we have a different shade of brown, so I'm just going to change that. Now we'll quickly get back to the ones that we had. We got our 3 poopies here. I'll show one more quick feature. If you have more than one like this, if you click this here, it says arrange all objects, and you choose the spacing. I usually do like 5 is normally enough. And then click arrange, and it will try to put them in the most optimal spot to print it in the least amount of time.
And look at it. Look at this upside tower.
Yeah, we got a tower. It has 4 colors in this print, so it needs this tower to be able to quickly switch between the filaments. So once your plate is ready and you've got your color selected, you can see these green check marks. That means that we have those colors in the printer right now. Then you click slice plate, and it will basically analyze this plate and get it ready to actually start printing. So that will take a little bit of time here, and then it's going to give us some stats. It's going to tell us how long it's going to take to print, and it's going to tell us how much filament it's going to use as well. And we can see here all the stats. So the total time to print is going to be 1 day, 4 hours.
That's absurd.
And the amount of filament total is going to be 633 grams. So that's a bit over half of a roll. So these are going to cost maybe $15 to $20 in filament. And make sure that the colors are selected, which they are. Everything looks good. Send it.
Send it.
Send it.
1 day later.
Where's all that poo in our 3D printer? Look at the size of this poo.
And look at its giant tower.
Whoa, look at the size of that thing. That's so it can switch colors while it's printing the poopy. And now the time has come.
The big poopy.
Do some scraping. Put some Kevin muscle into it. Yeah, he's coming. I can hear some crickling and crackling. He's been in there for 1 day, 4 hours being created. Does he actually do the poopy?
Wow. Yeah, and look at this little tiny poopy. You gotta loosen it up. Plus, I can't even grab the thing. My fingers are too big.
Giant poopy.
Giant poopy.
Mid-sized poopy. And
Super big poopy.
And we got one more thing at the back here.
Poopies.
The poopies from the poopies. And if you want to see another video like this, but with this cool dragon egg at different sizes, drop a comment, let us know, and we can put that together. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our videos.
Yeah, don't miss our videos.
Should we do a couple poopies just to close out the video here?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.